Hi, I'm John Allman, co-owner of Semper Solaris. It's Veterans Day today. We're here to give back to Jack Lyon, a Vietnam vet, putting solar panels on his home. We're able to work with our manufacturers. In this case, we worked with LG, Polyglass, and SolarEdge.
We partner with Semper Solaris for a reason. They're a great company. They're always giving back, and we feel very blessed that we're able to participate.
Semper is really involved and engaged with the veteran community, so they reached out and said they had an opportunity to really give back. As a veteran myself, I really appreciate any companies that really recognize the service.
I think it's fitting that a veteran-owned company like Semper Solaris is giving back to someone like Jack, who's done so much for the veteran community.
Jack is a highly decorated Marine. He kind of became the angel of our warriors up at the Naval Medical Center, San Diego. He knew exactly how to reach these guys. He's been where they've been.
I mean, his legacy is not just me or not just Povis. Thousands of people that have come through that hospital injured, they all know him.
Povis and David pulled us aside and made a very strong suggestion that we do something for Jack. You could tell how sincere they were in their belief that Jack had quite literally saved their lives and the lives of other veterans. What better person to do something nice for than someone who's been serving other people in such a profound way? It feels great.
To see him get taken care of warms my heart.
I'm Jack Lyon. I was an infantry officer in the Marine Corps from 1963 to 1967. I don't see disabilities, I see possibilities. These guys are a gift to this country. You know, today's Veterans Day, no? This is the proper way to honor veterans. The crew that's been here, stand-up people, man. Stand-up people. The fact that it's a veteran-owned company with sensitivity to veterans, that's a good thing. And I'm thankful. I'm very thankful for Semper Solaris for putting all this together. We're blessed.
When I heard that we were getting a new solar system from Semper Solaris, I thought, they're going to give this to us? Amazing. Each day, we know that solar system is up there working and saving money and just adding another layer of security for us. We're very happy, very pleased, and very thankful. Thank you to Semper Solaris.